Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Kitchen mat. The Mattitude kitchen mat stands out as a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen environment. Available in a sleek black color, this mat brings a modern edge to your kitchen decor, seamlessly integrating with various styles. Its geometric pattern adds a touch of contemporary flair, making it not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. What sets this mat apart is its fade-resistant feature, which ensures that it maintains its vibrant appearance even in the face of daily wear and tear. This quality is particularly advantageous in a high-traffic area like the kitchen, where mats are often exposed to spills and foot traffic. Measuring 0.4 inches in thickness, it provides ample cushioning, making long periods of standing more comfortable for those engaging in cooking or cleaning tasks. Manufactured by Mattitude, this mat weighs a manageable 4.3 pounds, which makes it easy to handle and relocate as needed. One aspect worth noting is the product care instructions. It is recommended to hand wash the mat only, which may seem a drawback for those seeking low-maintenance options. However, the investment in care can be justified by the mat's durability and long-lasting appearance. Electric s'mores maker. The Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker offers a charming and efficient way to enjoy homemade s'mores without the hassle of an outdoor fire. With a compact design measuring 12 inches in diameter, 12 inches in width, and 4.7 inches in height, it fits well on any kitchen countertop or tabletop, making it a versatile addition for family gatherings, parties, or cozy nights in. This s'mores maker is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring both durability and ease of cleaning. It operates at 270 watts and plugs into any standard outlet, delivering reliable power. The BPA-free materials give an added layer of safety, allowing users to prepare delicious treats without worrying about harmful chemicals. Included with the product are 2 specialized forks for roasting marshmallows, enhancing the user experience further. The simple manual operation allows users to have complete control over their s'mores perfection, adjusting the heat and timing to their personal preference. Its popularity is evident, with a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 18,310 ratings, highlighting its status as a favorite among consumers. Non-stick frying pan. The Sensar-T non-stick frying pan skillet offers a remarkable combination of functionality and ease of use. Crafted from durable stainless steel with Bakelite accents, this pan ensures efficient heat distribution while maintaining its stylish gray appearance. With a generous 9.5-inch size, it is ideal for a variety of cooking tasks, including sautéing, frying, and stir-frying. One of the standout features of this skillet is its non-stick coating, which significantly enhances cooking and cleanup experiences. Users can prepare dishes like pancakes, omelets, and seared meats without the worry of sticking, allowing for perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. The pan is compatible with all stovetop types, including gas, electric coil, and induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. The Sensar frying pan is built with user convenience in mind. Its aluminum handle, designed to stay cool during cooking, provides a comfortable grip and contributes to the overall lightweight feel of the skillet at just 1.45 pounds. This makes it particularly easy to maneuver, whether flipping an omelet or transferring a dish to the oven, where it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Blinders. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender is an impressive kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending experience. With a robust 1,000-watt motor, this blender is equipped to handle a variety of tasks, from smoothies and juices to purees and crushed ice, ensuring you can create a wide range of recipes effortlessly. One of the standout features of the BL610 is its total crushing technology, which expertly crushes through ice and frozen ingredients, producing smooth and consistent textures in seconds. This is particularly valuable for users who love to create smoothies packed with frozen fruits or for those who enjoy refreshing frozen drinks. The 72-ounce pitcher provides ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for families or gatherings. The user interface is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a straightforward push-button control system that allows you to easily select from 4 different speeds. This lets you customize the blending process to achieve the perfect consistency for your mixtures. Additionally, the machine's BPA-free material gives you peace of mind regarding food safety, while the stainless steel blades are built to last and deliver exceptional blending power. Dish Drying Rack. The Kitsura Dish Drying Rack offers an impressive blend of practicality and style, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Constructed from durable metal, this drying rack not only supports a significant amount of weight, but also showcases a rust-resistant finish, ensuring its longevity and maintaining a sleek appearance over time. Measuring 11.4 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 4.9 inches high, it occupies minimal counter space while providing ample room for dish storage. Its compact design is particularly beneficial for smaller kitchens, allowing users to maximize their space without compromising on functionality. The black color adds a modern touch, fitting seamlessly into various kitchen aesthetics. This multi-purpose drying rack is designed for countertop use, making it easy to place dishes to dry after washing. The thoughtful layout accommodates plates, cups, and utensils, showcasing a user-friendly arrangement that makes dish drying a breeze. The design is intuitive, allowing for easy access and organization.